In this video we will guide how to create and configure multi-level IVR in ICTPbx. First, log into ICTPbx portal as an admin or tenant by entering the email and password. Select the main menu PBX and then click on the sub-menu IVR Menus. Now click on the Add IVR Menu button and you will be redirected to the Add IVR Menu page. Enter the IVR name and extension number. Enter the custom path for greeting audio files or click on the Library tab and upload the new recording. Click on the Add Option button from the Option tab. Enter the digit, action such as transfer / voicemail / hang up and select the extension or voicemail. After entering all the required information, click on Save button to save the IVR menu.